And welcome, I'm Solo, and this is ZN Gaming. In this video, I'll be reviewing the 3000 TVL Home Security Surveillance System DVR kit, and before I waste any more time, let's jump into it. At a first look, this is actually nothing very special. It's just a brown box, as you can see here. It's just all brown boxes. It came with a few things in here. The packaging wasn't very good. As you can see here, it was kind of, that's all there was on it, and there was 4 cameras. It came with the 4 cameras, the HDMI, the DVR kit itself, and it came with these here 2 power adapters and this here cord here, which splits it up for the camera. So this here will just plug into any one of these here, and then this here splits off, and this is going to be one for each camera. So I found that a little bit janky, but it is like a lot of setups that run the CCTVs. So it came with all this here stuff, and like I said, the 4 cameras. I think these here are 50-foot rolls of cable, maybe 100-foot, but long enough that I had no problem setting them up. Now, at a first glance, like I said, it was nothing special, and it's just a brown box. This here security system came with like a mouse as well. Just about everything you needed except for the monitor. So if you lack monitor, you are going to have to buy that for this here as well. This was $159.99 at the time of purchase. And out of the box, the first thing I plugged it in, I do have one run outside. This one here is run outside, it's run across my room. This one here actually has a bunch of issues with it, so I will connect it later so that you can see that only 2 of the cameras work. I don't know if it's 2 of the cords are dead or 2 of the cameras are dead, so I changed them around, and it turns out this here system came with 3 faulty cameras, 1 stuck in night mode, only 1 that actually worked, and I was scared to turn it into night mode in case it ruined it. But at a first look, this here security system at $159.99 seemed like a good deal, but ended up actually, it's going to cost me more now to fix or replace it to go with a different kit. So we'll talk about that there later on. But first, let's just jump into what it looked like once we have this here set up and hooked to our monitor. So let's just jump into it. Alright, I'll hook the mouse up to it. I'll hook the power up to it. I'll hook the HDMI cable to it. And I connected just one of the cords. Now I have it set up here, it'll show them all. It's going to be a little reflective there, but we'll turn off the light for a second. So at a first glance, it's actually not really too bad. The one camera that got working is in excellent condition. As you can see, like the detail is fairly good. I'll make sure to take the picture so that you guys can see what it actually looks like. But this here looks amazing. This is very crystal clear for a DVR, and the only problem I had with this here was the cables and the cameras. So what I did was I looked for some compatible cameras, a few other things that would go with it, to see if I could replace them. That is not the case for this one here. For $150, I would not purchase this exact DVR. But for a starting DVR, as long as you're willing to do the replacement a few times to make sure that you get the right cords and cables that are actually working, I think this is not a bad first option. Setting it up in the menu, though, has been a nightmare. So when I go to the home, there's so many things in here. It kind of looks like a Windows PC, but I found it just no easy way to set it up to automatically give you notifications. So that's going to take a little bit longer. And I just wanted to just give it an unboxing and a first look just to go over what it looks like. For $159.99, I would go with something else, like maybe a Kerr or something else at this here price point. I think for the $150 price point, you could pick up for $39 or $49. You could just pick up 3 or 4 of these here cameras, and you have wireless cameras all through your house, micro SD for local recording, and automatic, without even paying any price for the app, because of the automatic notification for presence detection. And I think something like this here would be, for $150 worth of these, would definitely beat this here by a lot in quality. And so I think I'll review these ones here next to see what a good option for a home security system is going to be. I think this is going to beat it for $150, like I said. $150 not including taxes. This needed a monitor, this has a hard drive. There's a lot of things that it needed to get working out of the box. Where something like this here is, I'm going to be able to plug it in and connect it to my phone. It's going to be as simple as that. If I want local recording, I can add an SD card later on, which does up the price a little bit, but for $49, I could get 3 of these. that are going to do much more quality, and I don't have to worry about setting it all up once. It's going to be an easy app to set it up with your phone, and there is options for a monthly fee, but you don't have to pay it. So keep that in mind. But that's it for this one here. I'm just going to review this one here. So this is the 3000 TVL security system, and again, this is not a system I'm going to recommend to buy right now, and it's definitely going to need a little bit more review. Like I said, I had 3 faulty cameras or cords, whatever. So that's going to be a little bit of a problem with buying it, and you're going to have to probably do a little bit of a return issue with it. So keep that in mind if you do purchase this system. But that's it for this one here, guys. If you think I forgot or lost something out, definitely leave it in the comments below. And if you like or found the video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching. Bye!